Galileo Galilei was famous for the law of the pendulum, the thermometer, the telescope, originally the spyglass, the moon, Jupiter, and Saturn, and the so-called sun-centered theory. Galileo Galilei lived during the Renaissance period. Without him, we couldn't tell time, temperature, see the stars, or believe the Earth is the center of the universe. When Galileo was visiting a cathedral, he saw a lamp swinging above him. He used that model to create the law for clocks we use today. The original had balls of liquid filled with water. He created his own telescope and tried to get the telescope to be used for astronomy. His telescope was improving and saw stars of these planets and moons. Galileo was from an Italian culture. Most people liked the discovery of the law of the pendulum, thermometer, and the telescope, but the church did not like his Copernican theories and threatened to excommunicate him from science, his city-state, and his country. At 20 years old, when he discovered the law of the pendulum, he became the physicist we know him to be today. He started training for science at the University of Pisa, where his father wanted him to learn medicine after withdrawing from the monastery. He lived in Pisa, Italy, until his excommunication in the later years of his life. His father told him to study medicine when he was 17 years old. There were no awards given to Galileo back in those days. He faced many problems, like Johann Kepler, the time it took for a comet to appear, and the Catholic Church for being a heretic and listening to the heliocentric theory of Nicholas Copernicus. He was intelligent, wise, old, successful, and an intellectual genius.